In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can apply a gradient, a color gradient, to text in Adobe Illustrator. So I have my project here, I have some text added, and if I now select this text and I go to the gradient window, or you can also apply a gradient yourself here, the window for the gradient, if it's not visible, you can go to window and then choose gradient. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this one so you can see what happens quite quickly. So I have my text, selected. If I now click this blue gradient, you can see that the fill at the left side has been changed, but my text is still the same. There is no gradient fill applied to it. And the way to fix this is by having your text selected and then going to the Pathfinder window. And if this window isn't visible, then again, you can go to Window and choose Pathfinder. And then, so with your text selected in the Pathfinder window, if you click this hamburger icon, you can choose to make a compound shape. Now, you don't see anything happening apart from that in your layers window, it is now a compound shape and no longer a text. But when you have your text selected after you made a compound shape and you go back to the gradient and you click this gradient, as you can see now, the gradient has been applied to the text as a fill. And you can still change your text. If I take my text tool, you can delete this one. And then if I start typing, you can see that the gradient goes along with what you're typing. So if it gets bigger, your gradient moves along with the text. So you can adjust the text and your gradient is still applied to your text and it adjusts automatically to the size of the text to which it is applied. And as always with gradients, you can also adjust the gradient here. You can change the color, you can add color points and all that. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.